A is for alligator. Did you know they can live up to 70 years? B is for bear. These mammals can run up to 30 miles per hour. C is for cat. Cats have 5 toes on their front paws, but only 4 on the back. D is for dolphin. These intelligent creatures can recognize themselves in a mirror. E is for elephant. Did you know they are the largest land animals on Earth? F is for falcon. They can dive at speeds over 240 miles per hour.